Okay, we'll go on to the next card. This one I have done with Pretty Peacock paper. Again, it's one of the colors that's in the Forever Greenery designer paper. Scored 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. So I will burnish it there, and then like a Z fold back on itself. My Whisper White is going to go inside. I have a piece of designer paper of the same pattern that I'm going to attach on the white, just to kind of make it all a coordinating set. One of the reasons to use that liquid glue is that you can still move it a little bit. Notice I got a little bit extra there, so that's going to go there. My paper again is the 4 by 3 3/4, so you want to make sure that you've got it going the right direction. So you can see that these cards, kind of like a pocket card, I guess they could be called, come together fairly quickly once you've got the paper all cut. The biggest thing I found with doing them was to decide what kind of greetings I wanted, and what I wanted on the front of the box. So there is my outside pocket. I'm going to add a little bit of glue along here to keep it tucked down where it should be. And I have a bit longer greeting on this particular one. Is going to be, you can do this, and I think I'll put it down there. Oh, you know what? I like it that way. Again with dimensionals. And I will attach a ribbon, a different ribbon, again, because I have a variety of ribbons, so I'm going to make use of them. Highly recommend you use whatever you have. I have this one that I used on the outside of the box. And again, it's a fairly thick one, so I'm not sure how easy it will be to tie in a bow. But perhaps by the time I get done making 4 of these for you, I will have that figured out. Actually, that particular one I like because it's showing the 2 different colors. That is the reversible ribbon that has Old Olive and Pretty Peacock in it. I don't want it to be obviously any longer than the card base itself, but I don't mind it. Well, maybe I do if it's going to bounce up like that. Again, trusty glue dots. I would just attach that there and adhere that to it. And it's going to cause me to trim that off. So it's over there. If you don't like it over that, it could certainly go around the edges. I think I'll just leave it loose like that though. So there is card number 2. I'll be back shortly.